In Tamil Nadu politics today, there's one name everyone is chasing. One leader every party wants on its side. And one question that could reshape the 2026 battle. Where will Vijay go? With the DMK firmly in power and the opposition fractured, actor turned politician Vijay has emerged as the state's most sought-after political force. Every party, except the DMK, is trying to woo him. The BJP has fired the opening salvo. Tamil Nadu BJP chief K. Annamalai has openly called for the consolidation of all anti-DMK voices. And that call includes Vijay and his Tamizhaga Vetri Kazhagam.
When DMK has to go, the best way for DMK has to go is all the anti-DMK votes gets consolidated. Mr. Vijay, whenever he speaks, that is what his speech indicates. 90% of his speech, he attacks DMK. He wants DMK to go.
For the BJP, the calculation is simple. A united anti-DMK front with Vijay as the ultimate crowd puller. But there's a catch. Vijay has already drawn his red lines. No alliance with the DMK, no alliance with the BJP. At least for now. Yet the political coating shows no signs of stopping. Inside the Congress, debates are intensifying. One section wants to explore an alliance with TVK, betting big on Vijay's mass appeal. Another insists if Congress continues with the MK Stalin-led DMK alliance, it must secure a larger share of power.
We all know that Tamil Nadu is a state where the political alliances matters. Whomever is having a good alliance, they are going to win the government. It has happened in 1967 when Congress was defeated by extreme two different visions.
Adding fuel to the fire, leader of the opposition Rahul Gandhi weighed in with a sharp political message. On X, he slammed the BJP, accusing it of blocking the release of Vijay's latest film, Jananayagan. A post signalling solidarity with Vijay and underscoring just how politically valuable the actor has become. Meanwhile, signals are coming from the AIA-DMK camp. Party chief Edappadi K. Palanisamy hinted at a new ally joining the NDA. Speculation immediately turned to Vijay's TVK. But for AIA-DMK, it's a catch-22. A tie-up with TVK could consolidate anti-DMK votes. But Vijay brings no caste-based support. He has a massive fan following, but no booth-level presence. And while he could be a campaign phase, Vijay insists on being the chief ministerial candidate. The party has made it clear, if Vijay's party joins any alliance, one condition is non-negotiable. Vijay will remain the CM candidate. No backseat, no compromise. So as Tamil Nadu's political chessboard shifts, the BJP calls for unity. The Congress debates its future. The AIA-DMK drops hints. And Vijay, he waits, holding the key. Because in this race to woo Vijay, whoever wins his trust could change the game in Tamil Nadu.